Average rate, the change in concentration of reactant or product in given time interval is called average rate. What is average rate? The change in concentration of reactant or product in given time interval. Average rate equal to change in concentration of reactant or product by change in time. So what is average rate? The change in concentration of reactant or product in given time interval. Change in reactant or product, that is dx by dt. dx by dt or minus delta R concentration by delta T equal to plus delta P concentration by delta T. Instantaneous rate. The rate of reaction at given instant is called instantaneous rate, or the rate of reaction at a moment is called instantaneous rate. That means instantaneous rate, instantaneous rate, that is equal to dx by dt, where dt tends to 0. That means time interval is 0. At a moment, we can calculate instantaneous rate by plotting graph between change in concentration and time. At time t, instantaneous rate instantaneous rate equal to minus OP by OA. Rate law. For a chemical reaction, A plus AA plus BB plus CC gives product. According to law of mass action, rate of reaction, that means rate directly proportional to A concentration power A into B concentration power B into C concentration power C. For this proportionality, rate equal to K into A, B concentration power B into C concentration power C. This equation is called rate law or rate law expression. What is this called? This type of equation is called rate law or rate law expression. Rate may be defined, rate law or rate may be defined as the expression in which reaction rate is given in term of molar concentration of reactants. Suppose M plus N gives PP plus QQ. In this reaction, M plus N are reactant and P plus Q are product. Small m, small n, small p, small q are coefficient. In rate law expression, rate is expressed in terms of molar concentration of reactant. That means in molar concentration of M and molar concentration of N. So, rate equal to K into M concentration power M into N concentration power N. This equation is called rate law or rate law expression. What is called? Rate law or rate law expression. Write rate law for following N2 plus 3H2 that give 2NH3. Rate law will be rate for this rate equal to constant into reactant concentration of N2 power 1 into concentration of H2 power 3. This is your rate law expression for this chemical equation. For this rate equal to K into concentration of H2 into concentration of O2 power half. For this equation, rate will be this, and for this rate equal to K into concentration of H2 into concentration of I2. Molecularity. Total number of molecules taking part in chemical reaction is called molecularity. Total number of molecules taking part in chemical reaction is called molecularity. It is calculated by simple method. For complex reaction, it is calculated by step method. Molecularity of a reaction never exceeds than 3. Order of reaction. Order of reaction. The sum of power the sum of power the sum of powers of concentration term present in rate law expression is called order of reaction. What is order of reaction? The sum of power present in rate law expression is called order of reaction. Example AA plus BB plus CC that give product. For this reaction, rate law can be written as rate equal to K into concentration of A power A, concentration of B power B, concentration of C power C. Order of reaction that is equal to sum of power means A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. N2 plus 3H2, 2NH3. What will be order of reaction? So rate will be what? Rate will be K into N2 into H2 power 3. Order of reaction equal to 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. H2 plus half O2, that gives H2O. Rate law expression, rate equal to K into H2 into O2 power half, that is equal to 1 plus half, that is equal to 2, 3 by 2. तो ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन एक्सपेरिमेंटली कैलकुलेट किया जाता है, जबकि मॉलिक्यूलरिटी सिंपल मेथड से कैलकुलेट किया जाता है। बोर्ड में ये क्वेश्चन सिंपल है, आता है गिव डिफरेंस बिटवीन मॉलिक्यूलरिटी एंड ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन। गिव डिफरेंस बिटवीन मॉलिक्यूलरिटी एंड ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन। तो व्हाट इज मॉलिक्यूलरिटी and this line order of reaction. First point, total number of molecules taking part in chemical reactions is called molecularity. Total number of molecules taking part in chemical reaction is called molecularity. First point, the sum of power present in rate law expression is called order of reaction. That means पहला पॉइंट है कि दोनों में डिफरेंस में दोनों का डिफिनेशन लिख दिए। दूसरा पॉइंट है इट इज कैलकुलेटेड बाय सिंपल मेथड। सिंपल मेथड से कैलकुलेट होता है। इट इज कैलकुलेटेड बाय एक्सपेरिमेंट। इट मीन्स इट इज कैलकुलेटेड बाय एक्सपेरिमेंटल मेथड। तो कैलकुलेटेड बाय सिंपल मेथड, कैलकुलेटेड बाय एक्सपेरिमेंटल मेथड। थर्ड पॉइंट, it never be zero. Molecularity never be zero. Order of reaction may be zero. It may be zero, it never be zero. Fourth point, it is always a integer. It may be fraction. ये हमेशा पूर्णांक संख्या होता है या भिन्न भी हो सकता है। तो ये 4 पॉइंट सिंपल पॉइंट है, याद रखेंगे तो आपको मॉलिक्यूलरिटी और ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन का डिफरेंस याद रहेगा। ऐसे हम आपके सुविधा के लिए लिख दे रहे हैं।